Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Suhani Pareek, and in this video I will show you how you can invite students to apply for job openings. So whether you are a recruiter, an organization admin or a hiring manager, this walkthrough will help you get students onboarded to your job listings in just a few steps. So let's get started. Now you can see the dashboard. Click on here, click on the icon of your profile, switch to organization, click on organization. Now you will see the icon for hiring cell. Click on this. Now click on a drive for which you want to invite the students. So let's say I want to invite the students for backend developer. Click on here. Now click on invite and manage. Click on invite candidates. Write the email address. Click enter and click on send invite. Now to invite through batches, click on invite and manage. Select the batch you want to invite. Let's say I want to invite the batch 2026. Click on this. Click on save changes. Now it will invite all the students of that batch. So yeah, that's how you can invite students to your job posting on SkillBrew.AI. Once invited, students can instantly view openings, complete assessments, and move through your hiring workflow. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and happy hiring.